Hey you all, it's time for a quick Friday night tip break. So these are all Extreme Sheen, 2 ounces each of each color. And can you see the different levels of these paints? They are all mixed only with Liquitex acrylic pouring medium. Now down here I have this pearl. I barely had to put any of here to get to the correct consistency I was going for. And then we have the ruby, barely much more. Then we have the tremaline, about twice as much as the other two. And this 24 karat gold, I'm telling you, I could probably put it into another cup and add another at least ounce or two into this. So, that's why it's so important not to just go by recipes, but to know your consistencies. Because if I'd used the same recipe for these, it'd be a disaster, really, wouldn't it? So, learn your consistencies. It helps for me to always use the same type of stick because I know the feel of my paint more than even the visual. But you'll get there. Anyways, back to the painting. Love y'all. Bye-bye.